I just tested a pile of wireless HDMI kits, so you don't have to. Today, we're finding the top 4 wireless HDMI 2 receivers and transmitters of 2025. Can these really replace long cables and still stay rock solid? I put them through real-world tests. Living room, office, and projector throw. No lab fluff. We're talking long-range stability, low latency for gaming, and crisp 4K HDR picture. Are these kits actually good, or just spec sheet hype? We're about to find out. For every pick, I found a limited-time deal to save you cash. A countdown timer will appear on screen. Click the link in the description before it hits 0 to lock in the price. These deals could be gone tomorrow. Act fast. We're going to unbox them, test latency and range, push video quality and reliability to the limit, and crown the best wireless HDMI kit for your setup. Our criteria: range, latency, resolution, ease of setup, multi-receiver support and price. Quick preview. Pick 1, the long-range champ. Pick 2, the ultra-low latency gamer favorite. Pick 3, the 4K multi-receiver pro rig. Pick 4, the budget plug-and-play winner. Links to every product are in the description with the best prices. Use them. First up, WELUSOPU Wireless HDMI. 1 transmitter, 2 receivers. Out of the box it supports 2 TVs, and scales up to 6 receivers. Dual band wireless at 5.8G and 2.4G keeps your link stable. Range, up to 165 feet line of sight, near zero latency at 60 Hz. Gaming and slides feel instant. Feed it 4K. It outputs crisp 1080p to every screen, clean and consistent. Plug and play, no apps, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, just power and HDMI. And yes, stereo audio rides along perfectly in sync. Works with laptops, cameras, consoles, and set-top boxes. 1 transmitter, 2 or 3 TVs. Arrows show your content everywhere. Perfect for bars and restaurants. Mirror the game to every screen. Conference rooms. Plug in and present lag-free. Smartphones and tablets can mirror via app. Display mirroring only. All-day use. The updated design fixes overheating for continuous uptime. Run menus or slides sunrise to close without a hiccup. Smooth 60 Hz motion for sports and video. Best performance line of sight. Typical rooms still get strong coverage. Dual band auto select helps avoid interference and dropouts. 165 feet, 60 Hz dual band. Setup is literally power. HDMI done. Mac, PC, cameras, consoles. If it's HDMI, you're good. Home theater and classrooms. No cords across the floor. Bars, restaurants, and big conference screens. Effortless mirroring. Multi-TV game nights. Sync every display in seconds. Start with 2 receivers. Add up to 6 as you grow. Here's the flow. 1 transmitter on the desk. Arrows beaming to 3 TVs, each playing in perfect sync. Clean spec callouts. 165 FT, 60 Hz, dual band, 4K, in 1080p out, stereo. In the box, 1 XTX, 2 XRX, HDMI and power cables, plus mounts and a quick start guide. For the price, the flexibility is wild. 1 kit replaces long cables and messy switchers. Price, $179.99. Ideal for home theater, classrooms, bars and restaurants, conferences, and multi-TV game nights. Okay, if you thought the last pick was wild, meet product 2, Lielyhod upgraded wireless HDMI, 1 transmitter and 2 receivers. This kit is built for speed and simplicity. The LED status display shows connection, signal, and power at a glance. True plug and play. Up and streaming in about 5 seconds. Laptop to TX, TVs or projector to RX. Done. No apps, no drivers. It can drive up to 6 screens for mirrored presentations. Perfect for classrooms, meetings, and houses of worship. Stable range up to 165 feet, line of sight. Thanks to dual band 2.4G and 5G with high gain antennas. Output up to 1080p at 60 Hz for smooth motion. And it accepts a 4K input, downscaling cleanly when needed. Latency under 0.1 seconds, it feels instant. In the box you get rich adapters and cables, USB-C, mini HDMI and micro HDMI, all covered. Works with laptops, cameras, consoles and phones. No Wi-Fi network needed. It creates its own secure link. Step 1. Plug the TX into your source via HDMI or the USB-C adapter. Step 2. Power via USB if needed. Step 3. Plug each RX into a TV or projector. LEDs go solid, you're live. Need more displays? Add receivers, up to 6 screens total. great for overflow rooms and large venues. The on-device signal bars help you place receivers smartly. If the bars drop, reposition, visual, instant feedback. Even in busy RF spaces, the link stays impressively stable. Price is $179.99 plus a 24-month warranty. Best for quick troubleshooting, mixed devices, and fast deployments. Alright, product 3. The Yomais Wireless HDMI Pro TX with 2 receivers. Portable, pocket-ready design. This whole kit slips right into your bag. Best for mobile presenters and events that need fast, clean wireless video. Price, $179.59. Under the hood, a next-gen 5G chip with automatic heat control for stable performance. Check the thermal design. It actively manages heat to keep streams smooth. It's pre-paired plug-and-play. Power with USB 5V1A, HDMI in and out, done. Dual-band 5.8G and 2.4G with fold-out antennas for reliability in noisy rooms. Flip the antennas out, power on, and it links in seconds. 60 Hz video with about 0.1 second latency. Smooth animations, snappy demos. Range, up to 165 feet line of sight. Through walls, around 50 feet. Avoid thick concrete or metal barriers. Recommended up to 6 screens, 4 receivers plus 2 mobiles. Perfect for an event room. Mirror your deck to multiple TVs at once. Use the 2-to-play app for laptop to phone or tablet mirroring when you need mobile screens. On-the-go presenters can hand viewers a live feed right on their devices. Bonus, a free USB-C to HDMI adapter is included in the box. Power is simple. USB 5V1A from a wall brick, TV port, or power bank. Setup, TX into your laptop's HDMI, RX into the TV's HDMI. Select source and you're live. It's prepared. No Wi-Fi setup, no drivers, just instant link. You get 2 receivers in the box, add more later up to 4 total. Dual band auto switching keeps the signal stable when the room gets crowded. Here's the wall penetration diagram. Solid for typical drywall. Avoid thick concrete. Heat control means longer sessions without dropouts or throttling. Use it at weddings, conferences, trade shows, anywhere you need cable-free freedom. Teachers and trainers, walk the room while your content stays on screen. Travel-friendly and durable. Toss it in a carry case and go. Cables included, and the whole setup disappears in your backpack. HDMI works with Macs, PCs, cameras. Use 2-to-play for phones and tablets. Quick recap, 60 Hz, Savro 0.1's latency, 165 FT LOS, 50 FT through walls, up to 6 screens. For mobile presenters and events, Yomais Wireless HDMI Pro is the move, at $179.59. Okay, time to switch gears. Meet a Pro Wireless HDMI kit built for long-range venues and multi-room control. Wireless, Ethernet, both. Need rock-solid video across a warehouse, venue, or office floor. Want screens in multiple rooms without dragging long HDMI runs? Or a portable stage setup you can deploy fast? This is the newiedkvm Wireless HDMI, 1 transmitter, 2 receivers, built for Pro AV. The hook, dual wireless and Ethernet transmission, up to 820 feet line of sight, and simple pairing. Price, at capture, $246.99, minus 5%. Specs time, wireless range, up to 820 feet line of sight, resolutions up to 4K at 30, smooth 1080p for most installs. The TX has a local HDMI loop out for a nearby monitor, passes IR remote control 30-60 kHz, and the RX adds a 3.5mm audio output for powered speakers, clean, embedded AV end-to-end. Pairing is easy. Briefly connect TX and RX via RJ45 to link, then unplug and you're wireless. TX loop out to a local monitor. IR blaster and receiver for remote control at the display. Audio out on the RX, 3.5mm to powered speakers. Need more receivers? Drop a network switch on your LAN and scale to many RX units, about 10 megabits per receiver. Best for long-range, complex multi-room installs. Just remember, floors and metal walls reduce range. For the price, this is a serious pro upgrade. Here's your quick roundup and buying guide for the top wireless HDMI picks of 2025. WELUSOPU, best all-round multi-display value, simple setup, and reliable range up to 165 feet. Lielyhod, easiest to troubleshoot with a clear LED status screen, rich adapters included, and support for up to 6 screens. Yomais Pro, most portable and event-ready, smart heat control, and great through-wall performance. Newiedkvm, pro range and scalability, HDMI loop-out, IR pass-through and an optional LAN mode. Quick decision tree time, need long-range IR or LAN control. Go newiedkvm. Traveling or running events, choose Yomais Pro. Want quick status feedback and lots of adapters? Pick Lielyhod. Need versatile value and app mirroring? Go WELUSOPU. Links are in the description and pricing can change anytime, so check for deals. If this helped, hit subscribe for more pro picks and tests. Thanks for watching.